Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Experian PIN and fraud alert to your accounts step by step clearly. To connect your Experian PIN and set up fraud alerts for your accounts, start by visiting the Experian website. Log into your Experian account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Security Freeze section of your account. Select the option to add a fraud alert or connect your Experian PIN. Follow the prompts to enter your Experian PIN. This PIN is usually provided in your initial credit report or via your account settings. Choose the duration for the fraud alert. Options may vary from 90 days to 1 year. Review your information to ensure accuracy before submitting. Confirm your request to set up the fraud alert. You should receive a notification confirming the setup of the fraud alert. If you wish to connect your Experian PIN to specific accounts, locate the sections for linked accounts within your profile. Add the accounts you would like to protect with your Experian PIN. This may include bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial services. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the connection. Be sure to save any confirmation or reference numbers for your records. Regularly monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. By setting up a fraud alert and connecting your PIN, you enhance your identity theft protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.